Γεια σας και καλώς ήρθατε και πάλι στο κανάλι μου. Είμαι η Αλεξάνδρα και είμαι η δασκάλα του Do You Speak Greek. Do you know how Greeks would say no? Keep watching this video and let me know to the comments below if you ever used one or more of these words and phrases. Πάμε να ξεκινήσουμε. So today I'm gonna give you 10 ways to say no in Greek. You need to know that these words and phrases are not the polite way to say no or to refuse something in Greek, but they are very common and Greeks use them a lot in our daily speech. And we people that we know very well. First of all, you must know the word όχι. Of course you do, because I think that every student in any foreign language must know the words yes and no. So in Greek it is όχι. For example, θα πας στο supermarket. Are you going to the supermarket? Όχι. No. Another way to refuse something, and maybe it's not so strict, is to say δεν νομίζω. Δεν νομίζω. I don't think so. For example, η Μαρία δουλεύει τώρα. Does Maria work now? Δεν νομίζω. No, I don't think so. Also, it would be perfect if we combine these two words. If we say no, I don't think so. For example, η Μαρία δουλεύει τώρα. Does Maria work now? Όχι, δεν νομίζω. No, I don't think so. And now let's go deeper. Another way to say no in Greek, it's the sentence δεν υπάρχει περίπτωση. Δεν υπάρχει περίπτωση means there's no case to do something. For example, πήγαινε στο supermarket. Go to the supermarket. Δεν υπάρχει περίπτωση. No way, there's no case. Also, after this sentence, we can use the word να plus a verb in simple future. For example, δεν υπάρχει περίπτωση να πάω στο σούπερ μάρκετ. Δεν υπάρχει περίπτωση να πάω στο σούπερ μάρκετ. There's no case to go to the supermarket. Or, δεν υπάρχει περίπτωση να κάνω ό,τι μου λες. There is no case to do what you tell me to do. And now I have two more strict phrases and not so polite to refuse something or to say no. The first it is με τίποτα. Με τίποτα literally means with nothing, with anything. But because something like that, it doesn't make sense in English, I would say that it means no way. For example, πάμε για καφέ σήμερα. Πάμε για καφέ σήμερα. Shall we go for coffee today? Με τίποτα. No way. Because maybe I have to do something else. Or also we could use the phrase ούτε με σφαίρες. Ούτε με σφαίρες literally means without bullets. This is very funny because when we use it we mean that I'm not going to do the thing you tell me to do even if you shoot me in the face. For example, δώσε μου το αυτοκίνητό σου. Give me your car. Ούτε με σφαίρες. No way. It's better to shoot me in the face. Another slang phrase which is similar is με καμία Παναγία. Με καμία Παναγία literally means with no Holy Mary. And when we say that, we mean that I'm not going to do the thing you want to do, even if the Holy Mary comes to me. For example, μπορώ να δανειστώ τον υπολογιστή σου. Can I borrow your computer? Με καμία Παναγία. Of course, always before these phrases we can use the word όχι. For example, to say όχι με καμία Παναγία. Όχι με τίποτα. Όχι ούτε με σφαίρες. And one more way is the phrase ούτε καν. Ούτε καν literally means not even. For example, θέλεις να τον δεις? Do you want to see him? Ούτε καν. Also, after this ούτε καν, we can use a verb. For example, ούτε καν ρωτάει για μένα. Not even he or she asks for me. And now for the end, I have two more small words. They are not so strict, but again, they are used among friends. The first is δύσκολα. Δύσκολα means difficult. Maybe it's difficult to do something. For example, πάμε σινεμά σήμερα. Shall we go to the cinema today? Δύσκολα. It's difficult because maybe I have to do something else. And the other word is the word ba. Ba maybe is something like the American na. For example, πάμε σινεμά σήμερα. Shall we go to the cinema today? Ba. And also we can use these words together in the same answer. For example, πάμε σινεμά σήμερα. Ba, δύσκολα. And last but not least, if you want to speak with Greek people but you want to refuse something and actually don't want to speak with them, you can do that. So, close your eyes, up your head and do. So this is a funny and traditional way to say no here in Greece. Let me know to the comments below if you have something like that in your country. So that was for today. I hope you liked these funny ways to say no in Greek. In another video I'll show you how to refuse something polite, so that way subscribe to this channel and click the notification bell. I upload videos every week. Don't forget to give a thumbs up as well and follow me on Facebook and Instagram for more Greek lessons. Εμείς τα λέμε στο επόμενο μάθημα. Γεια σας!